Eating for optimal health. Ginger is a root commonly used in cooking and traditional medicine in many parts of the world. In this video, we will explore the surprising benefits that ginger can bring to your health. Ginger contains anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce inflammation in the body. Studies show that regular consumption of ginger can help relieve arthritis pain and muscle soreness. Ginger has been used for centuries to treat nausea and vomiting. Studies show that it can be particularly effective in relieving nausea associated with conditions such as migraines, chemotherapy, and pregnancy. Ginger is also known to aid in digestion. It can increase the movement of food through the gastrointestinal tract and alleviate symptoms of indigestion and flatulence. Ginger can help reduce the risk of heart disease. Studies show that it can help lower cholesterol and triglyceride levels in the blood, as well as reduce blood pressure. Ginger is a rich source of antioxidants, which help protect the body against damage caused by free radicals. Additionally, it also has antibacterial and antiviral properties, which can help strengthen the immune system. Ginger may aid in weight loss by increasing metabolism and reducing appetite. Studies show that regular consumption of ginger can help burn fat and reduce body mass index, BMI. In conclusion, ginger has a wide range of health benefits. It can help reduce inflammation, relieve nausea, improve digestion, reduce the risk of heart disease, strengthen the immune system, and even aid in weight loss. Consider adding ginger to your regular diet to reap all its health benefits. Thank you for watching.